Welcome to Road Rush, where we bring you the most detailed and engaging car reviews. Today, we're diving into the rugged yet modern marvel, the 2025 Jeep Willys midsize pickup truck. A perfect blend of heritage and innovation, this truck is built for adventurers who refuse to compromise. As we move to the front, you'll notice the iconic 7-slot grille, flanked by LED headlights that balance tradition with cutting-edge technology. The robust bumper hints at its off-road capabilities, while subtle design elements pay homage to the original Willys. Along the left side, the rugged stance is emphasized by high wheel arches and all-terrain tires, offering a commanding presence on any terrain. The back is as practical as it is stylish, featuring a spacious bed, durable tailgate, and sleek LED taillights that ensure visibility in all conditions. Stepping inside, the interior exudes a blend of utility and comfort. Durable materials meet advanced technology with a touchscreen infotainment system, seamless smartphone integration, and plush seating that can handle the toughest journeys. Ample cabin space ensures both driver and passengers are well accommodated for long hauls or weekend getaways. Under the hood, the 2025 Jeep Willys offers a robust powertrain, delivering impressive torque and horsepower to conquer any trail or highway. Paired with an advanced suspension system and multiple drive modes, this pickup is ready for off-road adventures and smooth urban commutes alike. Fuel efficiency has also seen improvements, making it a reliable partner for extended journeys. In terms of pricing, Jeep has positioned the Willys competitively within the midsize pickup market. While it may not be the cheapest, the value proposition lies in its unmatched versatility, rugged design, and Jeep's legendary durability. It offers excellent return on investment for those seeking a truck that does it all. For buyers, we suggest considering your primary use case. If you're looking for a capable off-roader with a touch of history and modern convenience, the 2025 Jeep Willys is hard to beat. However, for purely urban usage, other options may provide better fuel efficiency and city-friendly dimensions. Thank you for watching this review on Road Rush. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of the latest vehicles. Let us know in the comments what car or truck you'd like us to review next. Until next time, happy driving.